everyone, and welcome back to the latest construction update at One Tampa, the new height of luxury in downtown Tampa. It's been a little while since our last video, so let me show you some new progress. Let's dive in. This project begins with a solid foundation, and our team has been working very diligently. To date, we have installed 55 of 84 drilled shafts deep into the ground to ensure a strong and stable foundation for a tower the size of One Tampa. Follow me and let's go look at some more progress today. We're also pleased to share that the site experienced minimal impact from water during the recent storms. Thanks to our team's quick response, cleanup was quick and efficient, and we experienced minimal delays. New construction incorporates modern materials like impact-resistant windows and doors and heavily reinforced concrete, meticulously designed for lasting durability and resilience to elevate your lifestyle at One Tampa. We remain on track for completion, so it won't be long before this site is transformed into a vibrant destination for luxury living in downtown Tampa. That's it for the update. Continue to follow the journey of this exciting project, and we look forward to bringing you future updates.